So as you can see in the app.component.html, this is the file which will load initially whenever your any Angular application will run. This is the first file which will load. From here only you will initiate and call your another components. So here you can see they have inserted the app.header, then app.footer, and then they are having the content in between. So first of all they are having router outlet. What it will do for you for this app.component.html, what they are saying, like if you are having is online variable as true, then it will go to the router outlet thing, otherwise it will go to the is offline. In the case of is offline, what it will load this ng template, and in which it will show you offline message on the web page. In the offline message, what you are having, you can go to its component.ts file and you can see what you are having. Okay, it's not there, so we can search it over in the project also if we are having it with us. See, as per the different language, whatever you are having, according to that it will show you. Like you are having, if you are you have selected your English language, then it will prompt this message: without connection we cannot load anything. These things you will take it from here. And this en.json file, if you want, where it is in the i18n folder, where they are having JSONs for different languages, whatever you are having, whatever you are selecting. Okay, so like this we will show you the offline message. We are having a pipe also, a translate pipe for you. Now come again to the router outlet, where it will check is online. It will check it in the .ts file in the constructor from the navigator, which is the inbuilt in the node modules file you are having. If you will click on this, you can see in the live.dom.ts internally it will use this navigator, which you will find into the node modules, which is being provided by the Angular itself, that they are using, and it's checking that dot online. If it is online, it will return it to you true, the boolean value, or false. This thing the Angular will handle internally. And if it is true, then in the router outlet, how it will take, for that you have to go to the app.component files router file. That means you have to go to this app routing module.ts. in this you can see they are having routes with you. So in the routes, if you are passing the path as empty, then it will go to the component home page. What is home page? You can see it is the home.page, and this is the name of the component. You can see, you can go to the, you can search with Control P, just press Control P and then write here page, whatever you want to go, wherever you want to go, home.page.ts. I will go over here and you can see the my component name is the component class name is homepage, which they are mentioning over here. Like if your path is empty, then you can go to the homepage component. Otherwise, if your path is saying error, then load this error 4.4 component. If you are having root heroes, then load children of with modules heroes dot modules hashtag heroes module. Heroes modules will you will find in the your heroes details, I guess heroes details pages there, or you have to find this modules.heroes.modules. That means where you are having modules file here, in modules you are having heroes, and in this you are having heroes.module. This is the file. You can see from here I have just make it out the path, and in this I am going heroes.module.ts, and in this you can see the name of my class is heroes modules, which they have given as a key. So it will load heroes modules for you, and the component whatever it will load is whatever depending upon this hero modules will get load. You can see heroes remove component, heroes detail page, heroes list page, everything depends upon this they will load. So like this the linking of the the components and modules are there. So like this from this path that hero module will load, and this particular module file is having all the dependencies, or you can say the children's component inside it, whatever according to the click. If you want to go to the any particular page like hero list page or hero detail page or hero remover component, anything we want to load, that we can load with the help of this particular module loading. This is also called as lazy loading in our Angular. So like this you can handle it. So in the end of this video you are aware like how from where your Angular application will get start, from where in which file you have to enter the basic structure of the application, that is like header, footer, and the main content, and how you can link and how you can decide what you have to show when your application is offline or online, and how you can relate or load the different components with the help of their class name, or load their children with the help of lazy loading. So this is all about the main first file which will get load, app.component.html and its child link. We will see further in this tutorial. We will inspect more. Stay tuned. Bye bye guys. Thank you.